to cruise.
Oh my God, that was so much fun!
Hey, good morning, everyone. It is, let's look at the time there. 4:08 in the morning. I'm here at the lovely Cabana Bay Beach Hotel getting ready because it is the grand opening of Diagon Alley here at the Universal Orlando Resort. Clay and Molly are getting all super nerd wizard up. I am not, but we're getting ready to go. Opening day, bright and early. Ass crack it down. Let's do this thing. Beautiful resort, by the way. Really nice. Jonathan's still asleep in there, but whatever. Get ready to go. Alright, so it's about 4:20 in the morning. We have now left the hotel room. They're in full, well, Clay's in his full robe attire. Molly doesn't want to die as much as Clay does, so she's going in just the... Oh, that's true, you're not wearing... Show off those legs, by the way. One more time? No? No? Maybe? Yeah, that's, white boy legs. Anyway, time to walk over. So while this bridge over here is still under construction for Cabana Bay, walkway over to Citywalk and that, your pathway to the parks, if you're going to walk, is the sidewalk. It's that's just how it goes. You walk right down the road, and then you join in with the Royal Pacific Gate right over by Margaritaville. And somebody stole their arrow. Alright, so it's now 4:33 in the morning, and we are in a rather short line of people here to get into the Citywalk Hotel Resort Gate, whatever this is, from Cabana Bay. Clay's already on the ground. Yay! It's 4:45. Across the bridge here you can see an army of yellow shirt employees setting up what I imagine is some sort of a queue line to get people on. There's so many of them, it's like ants. Look at them go. We're moving here. Line for Royal Pacific's down there. And it's time to go. And let the madness begin. Good stuff. We now made it past security here at the Margaritaville gate. We're gonna go get a spot in the real line. Molly is already sweaty in her Harry Potter attire. Clay's doing all right.
I'm doing fine.
I think it's the legs.
Yeah.
It might be Clay's legs. All right, let's. We've got giant signs here. I imagine most people are going this way.
Yeah, who's going?
Yeah, I don't see many people going in there, and everybody going in there. They seem to have
They didn't have a wide area.
Yeah.
No offense, they should have made this wider.
Yeah.
But that's just me.
All right, let's see. Looks like we're gonna get a pretty good spot. Not a lot of people in line here at the ass crack of dawn, right when the rope's open. All right, so there's a spot in the line at 5:15 or so. Made the walk right over from Citywalk.
We went last night for like 20 minutes.
Crowd's not too bad yet, but the mom's gonna go and go quickly here. Universal Studios Florida. Ride the movies. Alright, just about 6 a.m. The crowd is being let in the frenzy here. The lines formed. Just gotta wait for this group to get through the turnstiles, and then we're gonna head right over to Diagon Alley in the long line to get into Diagon Alley. But 6 a.m., sun's starting to come up, and the people are being let in. And Clay is skipping. Entrance? That way. Who would have thought? Where all these people are going? Mob's now moving its way through Springfield. Alright, as you see, we made it to the next part of the mob, moving everyone into a single file line to get into Diagon Alley. Obviously, one of the funnest parts here.
That was a nice little power walk there.
So we survived that mob there, which was not fun. Going everyone into the single file line right here. Thankfully we didn't have to wait all that. And now we're moving on in. Thankfully in the first wave of people to get into Diagon Alley, because I imagine after the first wave you're not getting in for quite some time. Clay's rope.
And they're like,
So the news is here. We got a great view for whatever they're going to be doing on that stage there. We're in the park in front. It's 6:24 in the morning. This mob over here, that won't focus. That mob over there, they're the first ones in. And then that is what is behind us right now as we get ready for whatever they're going to do for an opening. And Grandma made it. Good for her. So this guy is my favorite. He is vacuuming the red carpet. That's pretty awesome right there. Time check, 6:43. Sun's up. So there's that, vacuuming the carpet. So as you can see from this picture here, and this picture here, Clay and Molly are now celebrities as they've been interviewed not once, but twice. You feel more important now, Clay?
Yes.
All right.
I wish I had better questions besides, you're a Slytherin, what are you dressed as?
There you go.
Whatever.
The now famous parts of our group here.
Yeah, we're famous.
Are you ready for the grand opening of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Diagon Alley? How long have you been standing in line? On the count of three, yell it out. 1, 2, 3, go. And why are you here? Is it because you're fans of Harry Potter? This is a very exciting moment, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us today. Behind these walls, you're going to have the times of your life. There are so many great things that you're about to experience, and it all starts right here at Universal Orlando Resort. Make some noise! You're going to experience fantastic food, one-of-a-kind beverages. Who here has ever heard of butterbeer? Butterbeer ice cream? Are you kidding me right now? It's all about to happen, ladies and gentlemen, but before we get this party started, and let me tell you right now, this is going to be a party. Please help us in welcoming the president of Universal Orlando Resort and Chief Operating Officer, Mr. Bill Davis.
Thank you, Scotty.
You are welcome,
very much. Thank you all for coming. On behalf of Tom Williams and the entire Universal Orlando group, thank you very much for helping us open the Wizarding World of Diagon Alley right here today. I also would be remiss if I didn't say thank you to Warner Brothers and the Blair Partnership, as well as J.K. Rowling for helping us create all of this. Mark Woodbury and the entire Universal creative team have done a wonderful job. You're going to love the entire land, as well as the Hogwarts Express. It is going to be a fantastic day for all of you and for all of us. Thank you again for coming and visiting with us today. Scotty, what do you think?
Yes, sir.
Should we do this, or are you ready to open? Or
Well, Bill, I'm not quite sure if the crowd is ready or not yet. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to open
Here we go.
the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Diagon Alley.
Help us
Count
count
it
it
down in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let her rip. Here we go. All right. Congratulations, Scotty. Ladies and gentlemen, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Diagon Alley is now open.
Let's get him inside.
Head on in, Bill. To start letting you guys in, but we want you to be mindful, be safe, and enjoy yourselves here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter Diagon Alley. Be mindful of your neighbors. a streamer. Save a butterbeer for me. 3. You guys are so awesome. What a great looking crowd. Mark, I see you out there. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy. The Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
There's going to be confetti everywhere. Very cool. Very, very cool way to open up. Managers everywhere! Now let's hope the ride's working. Heading into Gringotts Bank. The line is somewhere over there. And now we're in line. So we're now here in the extended back portion of Gringotts in what seems to be a never-ending line and a mob of people. How long will it be? I don't know. Probably quite some time. There's supposed to be Molly Sands. News helicopter up there. Trying to get crowd shots, I imagine, of all the people here. And I'll be in this line for about forever. And it's sunny. Great. Hope I don't get caught in the sunny part here. That would not be cool. Well, we've now been in line for about an hour. It seems to be moving pretty slow. Either that's a poor capacity thing or they're keeps breaking down because there's a lot of times you just stop for like 10 minutes at a time or so. There's that in the queue. That's kind of neat. And a lot of people here. That's all for now. We'll check in an hour or two. We've now been in line here at the Gringotts Bank ride for about 2 hours. So much that Jonathan wants to punch Clay in the stomach. That's neat. About to go inside. The outside line was long and painful, but on the plus side, to make things better, they sell beer in line. I got a Strongbow Golden Apple Hard Cider, which is delicious at 10:17 in the morning. Great. All right. Now for more waiting. All right. So we've now been in line for 3 hours here at the Escape from Gringotts attraction. Not sure how much is left. We'll tell you, once you get inside the building, much cooler than when you're outside. Very cool. Very cool queue inside. Animatronics, giant stuff. We just got a picture taken for security purposes, and it's really neat. Very well done once you're inside. But it's also very long. Time is now 11:12. We're at the 3 hour mark. Want to get on this ride already? Wait time, 450 minutes. 450 minutes. Which I believe, if you do the math, is 7.5 hours for Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. That's a little mad, gotta say. But we've all been on the ride now, and awesome. I loved it. Incredible ride. I can't believe the amount of technology that's in there, the amount of theming that's in the building and the queue, the stuff you can do before you get on the ride itself, incredible. Awesome ride. You know, it's sort of, I mentioned on the Facebook page, it's like the e-ticket this incredible land deserves, and it has it in the Escape from Gringotts, and I loved it. I don't think it's my favorite ride ever. I would put it at number 2. I'm still a big fan of the Indiana Jones ride out in California, so that would be my number 1. But this is in my opinion, the second best ride in the entire world. Yeah, in the country. I haven't been to that part in the world, but definitely in the country. So that's no surprise to be the favorites for the gentleman and lady dressed up in wizarding regalia.
Yep.
Favorite ride?
Favorite ride.
Favorite ride?
Favorite part of the ride?
I don't know. Oh, that's hard. I don't know. I cried.
You're gonna have to find out. Can't say.
I cried.
Now that shouldn't be a surprise to our listeners, as Molly has cried on the train, in the walking through the wall,
In the leaky cauldron.
in the leaky cauldron. So it's not an uncommon occurrence, but been a lot of fun here on opening day. Obviously, it's late and tired, but we got some stuff. We're gonna go buy some merchandise. We had lunch at the leaky cauldron. It was good stuff. We are probably not going to wait 7.5 hours.
I mean, if it drops down to like 4, maybe. 4 hours.
Apparently it's having some issues as there are people coming out, which should not be too surprising, but there's that. Diagon Alley, incredible opening day, has been a ton of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed our little our video diary updates here. We got some fun to do. We got some more fun. I'm gonna go get some treats. I'm gonna buy some stuff and so stay a little bit longer here in Diagon Alley. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all next time.